everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Scribble on Instagram story. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram and then click a box plus icon at the top, this one, and then click story. Click story, and in here you can choose photo or video that you want to post. This one, click on it, and then in here you can click on the three dots icon, this one, click on it and click on draw. And then after this you can choose the color, and you can choose the color that you want to use, but in here I wanna use green color, this one, and then make a scribble like this, maybe like this, or like this, or like this. And after this you can click check icon at the top right, this one, and then click post, click on your story or your close friend, and finish. So that's how to make a scribble on Instagram story. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.